Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Beauty Forever here for sponsoring this video. Now, I must say I'm so excited because I'm doing the voiceover after the install. I love this wig. I love it. Favorite, okay? We got some wig caps, edge band, and of course the wig. Now, this is a 24-inch wig with curtain bangs. When I tell you you do not need a wig cap, because the wig already comes with that. It is made with a cap. So you're basically getting an HD lace wig. You're getting a cap on the wig. You're getting the lace pre-cut. The layers in the hair is also pre-cut. The hair is pre-curl. Guys, look at this. It's the true definition of a HD lace. Perfect and spectacular. I love it. But let's talk about the drawstring because it is perfect for any head size. It doesn't matter if you have a small, medium, large. You can install this wig and you're just going to use a drawstring and it's going to frame your face and the wig is going to be sitting on top of your head. You hear me? It's the perfect thing. It's the best thing since they came out with drawstring. I love that so much. The HD lace is top tier as well. The quality of these lace are amazing. I am going to show you guys the difference between the HD and the transparent lace. The wig quality is amazing. The pre-curls is also beautiful. There's times when I do get pre-curl wigs and as soon as I brush it out, we have to recurl it. Now this one, never. So guys, the difference between the transparent lace and the HD lace is that the transparent lace is clear for a seamless look and HD is more advanced. It is ultra thin for an even and more natural appearance. Now this is like melted on your skin, the HD lace, and I do believe like there's different quality in the HD lace, but this one, oh, you're gonna love it. There's no lace, a matter of fact. So amazing. Alright guys, time to install the hair from Beauty Forever here. Amazing. Okay, love it. And I'm so excited because we are finally doing a 3-part wig. How long has it been? Beauty Forever did their thing and we're going to install the free party. Now, we do not need this. The only reason I have a stocking cap on my head is because my hair is not braided. That's the only reason. The wig is so realistic. It is perfect. I have to talk about it. It do have the curtain bangs, of course. You don't have to worry about adding makeup neither to the cap or the wig because there is a cap underneath. Okay, I'm so excited. Like, look at this. We're not doing anything to this. I am not even gonna cut the front because the HD lace, I want to show you guys and tell you guys the difference with the HD and the transparent lace. You guys saw when I was showing that, but you're gonna see the install now. Definitely, guess what? It is a drawstring wig. So we are getting everything in this one wig. Drawstring, free part, no wig cap needed. What more than you need? So you know what that means? You can, and it's pre-curl. It's a pre-everything wig. So we're gonna install it. It's a 13 by 4, 24 inches. I think I made it too tight. But I need it to be tight, okay? I need all that goodness. OMG. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Pre-curls, soft pre-curls. The curtain bangs, so you guys already know it's gonna float. Okay. Let's not get too... Let's pull the wig tight for extra security. Remember, I'm wondering, do we even need to spray this down? Like, look at that. OMG. I'm so happy. Like, I'm telling you, they're like, oh, guys, look at the scalp. Like, no makeup, no nothing. That's just the cap that is added to the wig. So there's a cap on the wig already. How cool. Come on, Beauty Forever. Now we're gonna go ahead, before I do anything with this wig, and you already know we're doing an updo, because look at that already. Look at that already. Let's do the demonstration for the drawstring, because if you don't have a drawstring wig, especially if you cannot install your wig, I don't know what you're doing. Let's show you guys. Now this is the drawstring right here. Hopefully you guys can see. This is how it looks. As you see, the cap is on my head. We're gonna pull the drawstring. OMG, look at that.
OMG.
Look at that. And then this is how it operates. You're gonna use this and pull it to secure the drawstring. And then this that's left, we are gonna go and tuck it under. So seamless, seamless, seamless. Yes, perfecto. Now we got security. And guys, are you seeing what I am seeing? Do we even need to do anything to this wig? Nah, nah. Okay, alright, free. And it's a free part wig, which means I can style it however I want. Alright, let's get into styling, because it's giving the HD lace, the curtain bangs. Look at that. You don't need to curl the wig. If you are a beginner, you like a body wave, you like a celebrity style looking wig, this is the wig for you. So natural. It's a frontal, and I know I'm talking a lot, but this is a frontal and it's snug. As soon as I put this down, it's gonna be perfect, y'all. This wig fits my head. The wig is so good, I don't need this. This is for y'all. This is for you that's gonna buy the wig and want to install it yourself. As for me, I'm good at this. So I'm gonna take off the caps. Whenever you buy a frontal wig and it's this perfect with snug, I don't think you even need this. So I took these off. And with the wig, you also get extra ones. So if you're a person, if you want to wear a frontal glueless, this is perfect to use. But we got real HD lace, so we're not worried, okay? All right, so the first things first, I'm gonna pin up this hair. And I want to explain everything to you guys. If you're interested in this wig, which I think you should get it, because it's already pre-cut, pre-curl, and you're gonna love it. Normally, I would cut off some of my lace. You guys notice I did not do that. That's how good this lace is. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna spray down the sides. We're just gonna spray the sides down. Let's run some music while we do this. It's very easy, just as long as it fits your head. don't know how to emphasize on how beautiful this wig is. Even with the bangs. How stunning it is. Now you guys see, you don't need to add any curl. It's a free part wig, which means I will be showing you guys how I achieve the free part. We already have the middle part, which is beautiful. Yes. I'm not doing nothing to this wig. We're not cutting this wig, nothing. The texture is amazing as well. It feels so soft. 24 inches. Look at that. The curl is so good. All right. So because the wig came as a middle part, the first style is to showcase the middle part to you guys. So that's exactly what we're doing. I really like how the curls are as is. It's not too much, like, yeah, look at that. I like it. What do you guys think? All right, so I showed you guys a ponytail. Now look at that. Free parting. Yeah, we just had this wig in a ponytail. All right, I think I'm gonna leave it as is. I did a similar wig to this some weeks ago, and when I tell you it was everything, I was just looking at myself. When I tell you it was everything, as soon as I took the wig off, I had to put it back on. I had to. Now, Beauty Forever here, I'm not gonna lie, I'm happy this is the last wig for the week, because we're gonna reinstall her. I love this one, guys. I absolutely love this one. It didn't take a lot. It just, the requirement is minimal. And I love that I don't have to curl it. Even though I just put the hair in a ponytail, I don't have to curl it. So I'm gonna leave you guys right here with this. Go, make sure you click the link in my description. This wig will be available for you. The quality, top tier. Free parting, if you want middle, a ponytail, side, it's this wig. Yeah, if you want a bang, it's this wig. Okay, look at that. I love it. So it's gonna be my description. You guys should shop. This one is 24 inches. You can go longer, you can go shorter. I think the 24 is the perfect length. I just cannot believe how beautiful. Like, y'all see these curls? Look at that. And I'm combing the hair so much. So I'm gonna leave it as is. But make sure you shop Beauty Forever here. It's HD lace. So baby, there's no lace because we're not wearing a shoe. No lace, sweetie. So make sure you shop that. The lace is spectacular as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember, it's a drawstring wig, so it's not going nowhere. Look, like, I could be like, and the wig is still gonna look nice. Perfecto. If you want to do it like this, no worries. You see how much style I'm creating without creating a style? Look. If you're a girly at work, here we go. Ponytail down. This is for you. Yeah, it is. All right. So this is it. Make sure you shop Beauty Forever here. The link is there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye now.